fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are already in December, heading towards our holiday season. Winter cozy vibes have already begun, so I thought I'll make this makeup tutorial for you guys. So started off with a lot of hydration because definitely it's winters. Then I went ahead using this barrier care cream from Hypen, and oh my god, you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this cream. It is a fantastic cream to apply right before your makeup. Look, in seconds my skin became so plump, so juicy, so fresh, so dewy. I use it underneath my eyes as well. It's a fab product, definitely check it out. Then I just added primer on the usual parts of my face, and then going ahead with my Swiss Beauty concealers. You guys, let me know in the comments, what are your travel plans, what are your holiday plans. I would really like to know. I have few exciting trips lined up, so I'll be traveling quite a lot in December. And yeah, what are you feeling, you guys? Year has almost ended, you can say. It's a good feeling because now it will be a chill, nice family vibe, family time, but then it's also a bit of a weird feeling that now we are itching towards new year. But do not worry, have new targets, new plans, make your life more happening this year. That's what the plan is. But let's see. Here I just mixed my foundation with my barrier care cream once again, because as I said, I cannot stop using that cream, and it just makes my skin feel so fresh, hydrated and juicy every time I apply. So we are in winters, right? This is a winter tutorial, so I thought I wanted that dewiness on my skin. Use the same foundation on my eyes as well, and look at my skin. Then I just went ahead with my Makeup Revolution contour drops. These are very easy to blend. It's a very moussey texture, so I really like applying this, and I wanted to apply all the cream products first and then set it with the powder products. And because it's winter, I really wanted that nice warm tones on my face. And now setting it up with the balm bronzer, again a very beautiful color, and you will see how both the colors will just complement each other. And yeah guys, what's up? How do you like your winter makeup to be? I like it to be on more of a warm cozy side, because that's how I feel we are in winters. Here I'm just doing my eyes. First of all, I wanted to give a very sunset smoky kind of vibes on my eyes, so hence I started off using just this particular shade, brown shade, on the outer corner of my eyes. And then I picked up a much denser brush, and I used a little bit of darker color, and I connected it with the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner. You can see, I've kept this real time. I'm doing it in real time in front of you guys. This is how slowly and nicely I blended my eyeshadows together, so you cannot really make out where it starts and where it ends. And as I said, I wanted to give a nice smoky vibe, sunset fire vibes on my face, hence I have selected these kind of eyeshadows. Now I took this maroonish shade, a dark deep maroon, and just focusing it on the outer corner, nowhere else but on the outer corner, and using this orange shade and applying it all over my remaining eyelid. Can you see what a beautiful nice sunset color is going on my eyes? And that was the plan. That is exactly what I wanted to do. And because it's glam, I just added a little bit of glitter. It's from Faces Canada, and how lovely my eyes look right now, right? Let me know in the comments. Finishing it off by applying some eyeliner. Recently I have been loving to use this technique for eyeliner, because with this I get the control over the product, the precision, and it just looks a bit more natural. Using the orange shade on my lower lash line, and I finished the eye makeup. For my blush, I used my K-Beauty cream blush first, and then in few seconds you'll see I'll go ahead with my Swiss Beauty Corally blush. Both of these blush again just complemented each other very well. It just complemented my eyes also very well. So yeah, let me know in the comments about the colors scheme. What do you think? I just picked up my beauty blender and dabbing it underneath my eyes and on my T-zone, because now I will set my face. So I wanted to ensure there are no harsh lines or creases, and if any, beauty blender will just pick it up. Went ahead with my pack translucent powder, and I left purposely my other outer parameters of my face because I wanted that dewy effect. So just setting my T-zone, and T-zone is something which creases first. Using my Makeup Revolution Juicy Drops, and look at that glow. Can you see that bomb dewy effect? Because of the cream underneath, my face was anyway glowy, and these products just add on to it, and it gives a very nice healthy juicy glow. Setting my highlighter with another powder highlighter. It's Mirror Luminizer. And yeah, can you see, I was absolutely in love the way my skin looks so fresh and dewy. And for my brows, I'm just setting it with my Essence brow tint. Very nice, very simple and easy and minimal. For my lips, I went ahead first by lining my lips using this shade from Inside Cosmetic. This liner is from Inside Cosmetic, and then I went out using Praush Beauty lipstick in the shade High Tea. It's a very nice brown tone. It's gonna complement a lot of Indian skin tone, so do check out these lipsticks. All of these are in my description, so do not forget to check my description box. And I finished it off by using K Beauty's V Hours. Oh my god, this lipstick has my heart. Perfect peachy corally nude. Finishing it off by some lip gloss. You can also apply lip balm, and that's it, you guys. Look how great my skin looks, how great the makeup is, and how my eye, lips and cheek are just complementing each other. You guys let me know what do you think about this winter glam makeup look in my comment section. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked my video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye and happy holidays.